I'm going to talk about what is the right way to shampoo your hair. In case if you're struggling to shampoo the right way, or possibly you have never shampooed your hair the right way, then you must watch this video till the end. Hi guys, I'm Shine Janarthanan. I'm the director and founder of Time Machine Salon and Academy. We are located out of Vashi, Navi Mumbai. I'm an internationally certified hairstylist and a makeup artist by City Guilds London. So whatever knowledge I'm going to share you in this video is through a lot of experience and a lot of knowledge and a lot of hands-on experience on our clients that I've been doing for years now, and not by just doing personal experiments. So you can trust my words for sure. Now, one very important thing that comes in hair care is doing the right shampoo. Now, a lot of times we use random shampoos for our scalp, we use random shampoos for our hair, and possibly we don't do the shampoo process the right way. So I thought of making this video so that I can teach you what is the right way to shampoo your hair, to make sure that your scalp is really clean. At the same time, you are not damaging your hair while doing the shampoo process, which I've seen a lot of people do, and it's really painful. So please watch the video till the end to understand what is the right way to shampoo it professionally, like the way you get it done in the salon. Now, ideally, any type of scalp you have, you do require shampoo at least twice or thrice a week. Now, to analyze your scalp, there is a video right here. If you've not seen it, please do see it and check what your scalp type is. So in case if your scalp is normal to dry, you can do shampoo twice a week or even thrice a week is good. In case if you have excessively oily scalp, in that case you must shampoo every alternate day, or you could also shampoo every day. In that case you need to use a mild shampoo. So in case if you're going to do a shampoo every day, then one round of shampoo is good enough. But if you're going to do it every alternate day or twice a week, then make sure that you do 2 rounds of shampoo. So why do you need 2 rounds of shampoo? Is because your first shampoo is going to clean your scalp superficially, and the second round of shampoo is going to clean your scalp really well. So whenever you start shampooing, you'll always see that the first time you shampoo, the shampoo does not tend to lather as much, right? Because there is a lot of dust that is still there in your scalp and it's not come off completely. So it's important for you to do the second round of shampoo. Now let's see how you're supposed to do it. Now you must be very careful to the quantity of shampoo that you're using, because everyone's scalp size is almost the same. It's not like somebody has a very big head or somebody has a very tiny head, right? So more or less the quantity of using shampoo is going to be the same, unless if you have very dense hair, then possibly you can use a little more. So the ideal quantity that you are supposed to use is basically you take a 1 rupee coin size shampoo in your palm. Okay, rub it really well, add some water, spread it really well, spread it all over your scalp and try to massage it till it lathers. So to lather it more, you can add in some water and keep lathering and do a gentle massage to your scalp to make sure that all the dust and grime that is settled on the scalp, it comes off really nice and well. So this is the first round of shampoo, wherein you're making sure that you're spreading the shampoo well and the shampoo is lathering really well. So in case it's been really long that you've not shampooed your hair, in that case the first shampoo is not going to lather as much, but that's okay because you will any which ways do a second round. Now your first round of shampoo can be very randomly rinsed because you are yet to do the second shampoo. In case if you're somebody who's used to applying oil before a shampoo, then ideally you will require 3 rounds of shampoo till the oil does not come out completely. Now, as professional hairdressers, we don't really recommend you applying oil before the shampoo because frankly, it is not required. If you're going to use a good shampoo, conditioner and the right kind of leave-in, you don't require to oil your hair, because that will only lead to weighing down your hair and making your hair look very sticky and very limp. So we do not recommend it, but still, in case if you're somebody who likes to oil your hair before shampoo, then you will require 3 rounds of shampoos. Now in the second round of shampoo, again the same amount of shampoo, which is 1 rupee coin size. Spread it really well in your palms and spread it all over your scalp really nicely and evenly. Now this time make sure you massage your scalp gently in rotational movement to make sure that it stimulates the scalp. At the same time, it's cleaning your scalp really well. So make sure that the shampoo lathers well and massage it at least for 2 to 3 minutes, and then you can rinse off the shampoo completely. Now one more very important thing when you're shampooing is you don't really need to take extra product for your hair. Okay, you don't need to take product for your hair and rub your hair with shampoo. It can actually damage your cuticle and it can make your hair really dry. In case if you have colored hair, in that case the color is going to strip off really fast. So the right way of doing shampoo is to shampoo just the scalp. The lather that comes from the shampoo is good enough to clean the hair as well. But in case if you are somebody who has oiled your scalp and your hair, then yes, you will have to rub it off the hair as well. That means you need to take extra shampoo, rub the hair so that the oil from the hair also comes out. So you are eventually kind of damaging the hair. When you're going to rub it, you're going to rub the cuticles, you're going to open the cuticles, and if you're going to open the cuticles, the hair is going to get more and more drier. So it's best not to oil the hair, and it is best if you can just shampoo the scalp, and just the lather is going to clean the hair that is dirty down. I'm sure by doing the shampoo this way, your scalp is going to be really clean and healthy. So please do follow the steps. It's very simple. You need to take 1 rupee coin size shampoo and massage it well and clean it well. The second round of shampoo, take again the same amount of shampoo, massage it and clean it well. Don't rub the shampoo over your hair, just rinse it well. The lather is going to clean your hair as well. In case if you have any doubts, or if there is some other way you shampoo and if you want to know if that is right or wrong, please do write into us. We will be more than happy to answer all your queries. I hope you liked this video. If you did, then please give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. I'm sure it's going to be helpful for them as well. And also do subscribe to our channel. We are going to make a lot more informative videos about skin, hair, nails and many more that we do. And also if you want to become a professional, we do also have an academy wherein we train you professionally for hair, makeup, beauty and nails. So we will mention it in the comment section. Please go through that. And thank you so much for watching my video. I will see you the next time. Bye.